Alright guys, sorry about the delay in videos. I transferred my work location. I'm working at a different facility now. But I wanted to do a tutorial on this machine. It's the Jacobsen HR5111. This is what it looks like right here. Alright, got it up on the lift here. And just a quick tutorial. There's a lot of people might be struggling on this one in particular. Is where the heck is the battery on this thing? And I don't know what Jacobsen was thinking when they put it in this location, but if you come up here, now here's the front of your machine, and you look right down underneath of this deck, it's right in there. So needless to say, when you got to jump start this thing, you want to be extremely careful, because you are going to be wedging your arms right in between that deck and the machine. Alright, and now next thing, I just wanted to show you the oil filter locations on this. So come to the back of your machine, under this back left tire here, and go right under. And there's one right there. And there's another one right there. Alright, so again, we're at the back tire. We're going to come right in, look up, there's one, look in front of it, there's the other. And the oil drain bolt will be, there's your pan next to your filter, and you got two options here. You got one right there in the back, and you got one right there on the side. Very easy, accessible, well, especially if you have the lift, but still not in a bad location. Not too bad. Alright, hopefully that helps out somebody. We'll be back. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe below. See you guys next time.